Hey, so today I'll be showing you how to create a free hosting plan so that you can actually move your website that you've created in your local environment to online so that you can share the links for people to check for you. And from the last time I sent you some video, you can see that now I've added some effects on this uh, top section, which is like the effect that is zooming like this zooming effect. Okay, and if you also scroll down, you can see that I've added this nice background right here under this school syllabus. Okay, and you can see under this section I also added all of this effect right here just to make the website look more like school website, and I also added another image right here. Okay, so you can feel free to also check through. I added this background image right here under this parent feedback section and the form. So that's the simple things we have here. So now to create the free hosting plan, you need to go to your browser, either Safari, Chrome, or Firefox, or any browser you are using. Just go ahead and search for 000 web hosting, as you can see here. So when you see this, make sure you click on this link right here, this first link. Then it will bring you to this page just like this. Then you see free web hosting. Okay, and if you also come down, you are going to see different information right here. So this is a free plan that does not cost you any money to create, and under here you can have one website for free for 1 year. Okay, so no email, free SSL, free domain, limited visitors, and all of these are things that can be added on this. They also have the one that costs like $2 per month, and the other ones. So we want to come back to the top right here, where we have this create free website, and under this you want to click on here. When you click on here, it will then bring you here. You click on sign up, right? When you click that sign up, it will then bring you to this page where you can create your email and password. Okay, so I'm going to put in my email, then I'm going to put in some password. Okay, so when I put in email, then I put in a password, then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on sign up. So either you are doing this on your phone or you are doing this on your laptop, it's the same process. So now you see here I have to make sure I prove I'm not a robot. Click on the figurine of object that normally contain an engine. Okay, so I'll click on the figurine pictures that I know that contains an engine. Then I'll click verify. Okay, so I think uh, that's good, right? So password must complete at least one number, one uppercase, and more. So my password is not strong enough, so I need to create another password. So let's do this. Okay, so after creating that, then you can see now that I'm logging. So if you look at this section, you can see it said verify your account, right? So if you then scroll up, it said that I should check my email so to verify that my password has been correct. Okay, so when I enter my email address, you can see that I have this email from 00host. Okay, so what you just need to do is to click on this button that says verify your email. And when I click on that link right here, you're going to see that it will take me to a page where I can verify uh, my email address. Okay, so when I click on that, you can see. So now it says, hello, follow the guide to set up and your website will be live in minutes. So this is how to create a free hosting account on 00 web hosting. So next, we are going to look at how to upload your website from your laptop to your uh, to your 00 web hosting account so that you can share the link to anybody wherever they are. So even if you have family in any other part of the state or country, you can share it to them to see what you've actually built. Okay. So what you can do is to click on start now, right? When you click on start now, it said create a website, right? So I'm going to say my website name. Since we are working on the school website, I'll just call it VBS. So when I call it VBS, you can see that we are going to have this 00 web host at the back. Okay, so I want to show you the difference right here. If you come to my official website, this is my own official business website, right? You see, this is where I have all my information, right? So you see that this is my own website. If you look at the link right here, you can see it's ctex.com.ng. But if you come to this page right now, you see we have vbs.00webhosting.com. So if you are using this, people will know that you are using a free hosting account. So this is just for training purpose so that you can use this to test what you've actually built, right? So it is not something that you can use for a very, very long time, because even if you have this free hosting, after 1 year, they are going to delete it. Okay, so now we can create a password for our website. So I'm going to create a password right now. So when I input the password, then I'll scroll down to the bottom and click on create. Okay, so when I click on create, it will then take me to the next stage. Okay, so you can see now it said another website with this name already exists. So that is one of the issues with selecting domains name and actually buying of domain name. So you see another person is using this VBS. So I will go back here, then I will put another extra S just so that we can create it. Then I'll click on create. Okay, so let's see if we have this. Another website also use this. Okay, so I'll just put school. Let's see if we can get away with this. Then I'll click on create VBS school. So let's see if we can get away with this. If not, we are going to choose another name entirely. Okay, so it's still trying to check if another person have that name or not. So what this means is, if you remember when I was telling you about creating domain name, buying of domain name and hosting, so you need to check first if that domain name is available. So that is what this 00 web hosting is doing for us, and new website has been created. Okay, so I'm going to save my password. So when you now come here now, it said, how do you prefer to tackle website creation? Okay, so do you want to install WordPress or you want to upload your WordPress? Transfer your existing website to your hosting account. So since we've already built our website from our local server on our laptop, we can use this. But for the purpose of those who are using phone, if you want to try this out to build your own website on your phone, then I will recommend that you select the first option. Okay, so once you select the first option, then you can go ahead. So let's try it one after the other. So if I select this, so now it says create login details for your WordPress, which is the administrator. Remember, I told you don't create email or password as admin. It is very, very risky for any website. Okay, it is very, very risky for any website. Make sure you create something that will be difficult for people to uh, get. So another thing you can do is to click on this three line here. You click on this three line, you're going to see all the website that you have. So if I click on this, it brings me here. So I have this VBS right here. Okay, so I can click on this to say view sites. And when I say view sites, we are not going to have anything there because we've not actually uploaded the website that we plan to upload. Okay, so it's still empty with empty message. So you are going to click on manage. So it will then bring us here again, and you can see different information right here. Okay, so now you can start getting yourself familiar with cPanel. Okay, this is website, WordPress, file. Okay, so I'm going to also share with you some information about creating website. Creating file in File Manager, then also managing subdomains. Remember, I told you about subdomains. Okay, so let's just keep getting ahead. So if you look at this website right here, you can see it's vbs.ctechnology. So this is a subdomain right here. Okay, so this is where you can actually create subdomain. Okay, something like that. Okay, so in another video, I'm going to be uploading the website. Then we can finalize the step in this video. I hope this has been helpful to you. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.